Okay, hi Ever Forward crew, Andrew Fisher. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about 3D printing. What you see behind me, this is a fairly conventional kind of home hobbyist 3D printer. It uses plastic. There's two kinds here. There's ABS plastic, which heats at a higher temperature than PLA plastic, which is a little more environmentally friendly. Pretty ubiquitous. You could get one of these yourself at home and mess around. You could probably get one as little as about $300, $400. This unit, brand new, a couple years ago, was about $2,500, and if you could get this on the market now, probably about half that price. So it's kind of like computers. The price will go down as time goes on. A lot of things you can do with a machine like this. If you ever go out to a website called Thingiverse, you can look up different types of models that people have. You can get those STL files for free. You can take those to your home printer and print them. Lots of people using this type of technology. Very simple, straightforward. You're just going to extrude the plastic. The machine has 3 axes, X, Y, and Z. There's a 4th axis which controls the extruder. I've already got my model loaded. I've got a free application. I'm going to print the first half of the word Ever Forward. The word Ever, I'm printing it upside down, inverted, because the surface that hits the bed is going to be pretty nice and smooth.